Hey, 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 how are we doing? It is absolutely amazing to see you all again and to come with you with this promotional video on today. This is the first one that I have done. So we are going to do an unboxing video and then we are going to go into a design as well. So you're going to get a two-part video on today. Okay. For those of you that are just joining my channel, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can receive all of our new uploads and content that will be coming up soon. After the holidays, we have so much going on and we want to make sure that we share it with you all. So again, this is a promotional video and it is brought to you by the Artificial Flower Company that is located on Amazon. So guys, you can go on over to Amazon. I will link that information down below so that you can go on over and see what they have. So today, what we have is our lovely florals. You guys know I love using florals in my designs. So you are going to get these amazing florals. And they sent me 3 different ones. So I have this color. Then I have the blues. So the blue hues. You know what that is. And then we have these are more of burgundy and mauve or rose gold type of color. So we have those as well. And I absolutely love these packages because they come with everything, the extra greenery and all of that. So we're going to open up our first one here. So this is the one with our purples, and these are more purples and mauve kind of color. And then we have some lilac. So they come with the flower heads and then the stems to go along with them. And I like this box because it has a little burlap ribbon. So if you wanted to make this into a bouquet, you could absolutely do that. You have your burlap ribbon in here. And then they also added some fairy lights. Look at that. And so you have a little pack of fairy lights if you wanted to do that. So you could create your bouquet and you could add some fairy lights to it if you wanted to, and then your burlap. So how about we do this? How about we do a bouquet first, and then I will show you guys what it looks like in a design. So I'm going to do a backdrop design, really simple, really easy. You can just throw it together, and you can have it up for, you know, a wedding or a bridal shower or anything like that. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put these together because all we have to do is put these together. Now, for me, usually when I get these flowers, what I do is I take a blow dryer. And I kind of use the blow dryer to kind of, you know, give it a little heat so that it doesn't look so it's not so stiff, to kind of give it some movement, some flowiness to it, if you want to call it. So I usually do that. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you kind of the difference in what they look and feel like. Because right now, it's just because it's being unpackaged, it doesn't, you know, you kind of get that little stiff feeling to it. But after you take a little blow dryer to it, give it a little heat, it kind of loosens it up and makes it a little flowy, a little more flowy, so it looks more like a real, you know, real flower. So we're going to do that. And I like these. They already have stems on them. And these are kind of like the really soft foam type. So yeah, so we're gonna put these together. First we're gonna put a little heat to them, then we're gonna put them together. And then I'll show you guys what they look like. So let me just, I'm gonna do these other packages for you so you can see what they offer in each package. So each package, I believe, has the same thing, but we're just gonna go through it and see, okay? So yep, you have your florals, you have your greenery here, and this is the blue package. And the blue one feels a little better. So it feels a little better. So I might not have to put a whole lot of heat to this one. I like the way these look. See how nice that looks. And these. Yeah, so yeah, you have your greenery, you have your stems, your burlap wrap, here you go. So each one of these packages are going to come with the burlap wrap, it looks like, and your fairy lights if you wanted to put those in there. And of course you have your stems here. This is one all together, and then you have, I want to say there's some, no, not in this package, you don't have the individual stems, okay. So not in that package, but you have some nice greenery in here if you wanted to add some greenery to it. So you have nice greenery in there. Okay, so that's the blue package. Again, this is from the Artificial Flower Company on Amazon. And there's your burlap wrap. So this is the burgundy, this is the burgundy pack. You have your nice little flowers in the different colors, and there's your greenery. Got your greenery. And there's those fairy lights. Okay, so yeah, this one has the individual stems if you want to go individual, and then it has the bunch. So if you wanted to do a bouquet. So yes, yes. Oh, and they have the smaller little rosebuds in there. Well, that's not a rosebud. That's a rosebud. So yes. So like I said, each one of the boxes, they have the same thing in them. So if you wanted to create a bouquet, you have your bouquet stem, and then you also have your burlap wrap and fairy lights if you wanted to add a little extra something to your bouquet. So that is available for you in the package as well. And this is the Artificial Flower Company on Amazon. They are listed on Amazon. And I will have that information for you guys listed below. But we are going to get these things all heated up, loosened up a little bit, and then we are going to create. Okay, so I'm going to do a bouquet, and then I will do a backdrop design using the florals, so you can have, you know, an idea of how I use my florals and how we work with them and how we, you know, make them look a little better. Then, you know, so we'll go ahead and do that. And I also personally like to add a little bit of real flowers with my artificial flowers. So I will show you guys how I do that as well. All right. So keep watching.